This is the vintage jewelry haul and auction preview for the week of Wednesday the 19th and Friday the 21st at 7 p.m. Eastern. You can text Hello Dawn to 917-809-7250 to get a free alert when I go live with an auction or a sale or a pop-up. And it's free. There's no spam. It's my real phone number. This is available underneath this video. This is a magnet, the You Can't Eat Jewelry magnet. Everyone who buys one of these is automatically entered for the drawing that I'm doing on July 28th. The winner will get an antique or vintage silver-plated jewelry casket with black pearls and an Art Deco pin. And these are real black pearls, and that is an authentic Art Deco pin. And I put it on. See, you can wear it like that, or you can wear them separately. I just attached it to the necklace like that. These next few things are also underneath the video. These are from a few weeks ago. This is the signed Sweden art glass dove. And this will be underneath this video. And if nobody grabs it by the time of the auction, I'm going to be lowering the prices on these few things and putting them up for auction. So there'll be this one and these three. These are Bullicante. These are also Sweden. There's the apple, the paperweight, and is it an eggplant? And I'm thinking now it's probably an eggplant. These are very mid-century, so if no one grabs these by the time we start the auction at 7 on Wednesday, they will be in the auction during the week, either Wednesday or Friday. This piece came from the Extreme Collector estate that I went to, where I ended up buying all of the jewelry at the end. Look at this. This is a beautiful old Czech glass. Most likely great sort of deco period there. She definitely liked blue. Look at this. These are actually sort of like a gradient color on these. When I first picked this up, I was thinking Regency. But it's this metal, I don't know how common it was for Regency, so I can't say for sure. It has no markings, but the flowers are very much like what Regency did with the layering also. And then clearly, look at that. You know what she did. And then also, there's these. These are signed Weiss, and these are beautiful. These are Haskell era. See, that's how they clip on. So a little bit of an air climber action there. Just gorgeous Weiss earrings. This also came from her estate. Nice Milor kind of soft bangle, very wearable, two-tone sterling. This I picked up from the Thrift With Me video, the same video that the art glass came out of. And so these are going to be going up at auction. These are 10 karat gold filled in the original box. I would love to keep these, but alas. Wait, where is it? Oh, here, look at that. So nice. And check underneath the video because these are still available if anybody wants to grab these. These are $45. These are $45. Shipping is free in the United States. Here, look at that. These are a good deal. And they're in impeccable estate fresh, one owner condition. These are definitely worth a lot more than that. But I wanted to make it fun. So they're under there. And then finally these. These really look like Sherman. Look at the skinny navettes. Gorgeous. Those are underneath the video for $45 as well. This one is a Vendome. This is a really good, unique Vendome. Look at those beads. I've never really seen anything like it. And it is in new condition. This came from the Extreme Collector Estate. That will be going up for auction. She did like her blues. Really, really. This is going to be a giveaway. Only open to people in the United States because it'll cost too much to ship overseas. But it's a giveaway. It's a door prize for anyone in the United States who watches. I will be giving this incredibly time capsule vintage artifact away on either Wednesday or Friday. These probably keeping. These will be going up for auction. This is not the order in which they're going to be in the auction. Check the list in the description box for the order that everything is going to be in the starting bids. And again, you can text me at 917-809-7250 if you want to put in a pre-bid or a silent bid. These are amazing. These are valuable. This was a real score that day. I also linked the video below if you want to watch it. It's worth giving it a watch. Look how amazing these are, the rhodium plating. And everything was kept like a movie set. Like it looked like it was yesterday. It was the weirdest time capsule. These, gorgeous, going up for auction. This one, it's not in perfect condition. The pearls have peeled, but the coins are great. So I think I'm going to auction that off too. Oh, these. Okay, so these are sterling and amethyst, and they have imps. You see that? They have little imps on them. These came from the estate of the Extreme Collector. Beautiful amethyst, kind of glowy sort of reddish tones in the amethysts there. Love, love, love. I guess you could say violet, really. These are coming up at auction, everyone. Can you see the imp? See the little ears? Incredible. These are wonderful. Look, there's the clip. These are really, I don't know who made them. I have an idea, but I can't say now. But look, it so reminds me of the Trifari Renaissance period. I'm sure they were inspired by that. Different tones of pink. These are amazing. Another amazing pair. Would love to keep these. So special. Look. Look. Those are coming up. These I really thought I was keeping. I like it when things go flat to the face on the side, but they also have some height. So really pretty, brilliant. A little bit of movement there. Like new condition. Extremely wonderful. Oh, the bookmark. The bookmark I'm going to be doing an offered at. Okay. That's going to be $15. And that will be offered at $15. So do join in. It's going to be good. And that's like new. These are special. I don't think I can show how special they are. You really have to see them on because you have to see them fall, right? Like showing them flat like that is not ideal. But a remarkable pair of rhinestone earrings, rhodium plated, like new. The double layer, very deco. And there's the back of those. Are these signed? I don't think so. I would remember. Again, they will show better when you see them hanging. But gorgeous little time capsules. These are all really long. They're unusually long. It's hard to find vintage rhinestone earrings that have this kind of length. Look at that. Baguettes straight down the middle, like a spine. See that? The sparkle. Incredible. And then finally, I am keeping this set together, of course. Look how wonderful. Original chain, like new. They just don't make things like this anymore. And these are forever. You can wear these all summer at any age. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you at the auction. Bye.